There's a natural song in your heart, and there's a song in mine. And when you partner with someone and you don't play your song, they get pissed. Have you noticed this? They react because you're mirroring back their limitation where they have the same issue. Get a tissue and see the gift going both ways. Come out of your haze and let their anger remind you you're playing small. From behind your wall, hear their call forward. Let their activation be your motivation. Let their trigger help you get bigger. Let your trigger be like a daily bell that helps you wake up from a lifetime of sleepy patterning. Your partner is merely a bell carrier, ringing that bell to help you find your voice and sing your song, so stop making them wrong and start seeing their way as a light, beckoning you home. As long as you make them the reason you won't sing your song, you've lost the battle. You remain trapped, a helpless victim, unmet and alone, refusing your throne, relegated to the basement, dissociated and disconnected from your God-given birthright to claim your heart's home. Overturn this stone and see the smashed flowers you give away your power with this statement: I can't be me because of you. Close your eyes and feel the impact of that. I can't be me because of you. See how you lose your voice in this choice? And as you lay there giving your power away yet another day, ask yourself if you want it to stay this way. Perhaps it's the final hour of giving them your power. Perhaps it's the final hour of making them wrong for your unwillingness to sing your song. Stop. Open your eyes and rise and see there's another way to be free. Start to reframe, use I statements when you blame, and create a whole new game where I get to be me and you get to be you through and through. It's true. It's okay if you're scared, shaky, and afraid. That's how you were made. Allow yourself to wobble and shake and take your turn and feel the burn, because every time you're triggered by them, it's an opportunity to learn and earn and grow and glow. So blow on those embers inside. Don't hide. You're alive. Because a partnership can be the greatest ship. It's a hip. It's a trip. They'll crack the whip and you'll flip. You may as well grab your baggage and set your sail, because it's impossible to fail at being you. Hell, you're magnificent, exquisite, beautiful, wonderful, powerful, and yes, lovable. Yeah, you, lovable. This whole partnership thing is not tragic, it's magic. Your wing is not clipped, that's a trick. You're not broken, that's a token for connection. Feel the correction and stand up and stand in yourself. Take your issues off the shelf, it's time you dealt. They want to be felt, and watch the pain melt. Stop running and hiding, start dealing, facing, and thriving. There's no need to scream, we're on the same team. We both just want to feel seen. I want you to do the math and consider that relationship is a path. And you no longer have to feel alone when you make a partnership your home. It's okay if you're feeling shy. It's okay if you want to cry. I just want you to try. Why? Because it takes two wings in order to fly.